Welcome back, everyone. Look, if you've ever stared blankly at a blinking cursor, just absolutely dreading the moment you have to build your bibliography, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're flipping the script. We are going to look at citations not as some tedious, soul-crushing chore, but as your ultimate survival tool in university. I'm super excited to guide you through this explainer. We're going to unpack the strict, but honestly, highly logical rules of academic writing. We're taking what feels like a confusing maze and turning it into a clear, straight path. So here's our roadmap for the explainer. First up, we'll cover why citations actually matter. Second, exactly what to cite and when to do it. Third, the three main methods of citation. Then we'll decode MLA style, followed by APA style, and finally, we'll wrap up with how to make citations easy. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Why Citations Matter. And let's set the stakes here. I want you to really think about this for a second. Why is citation necessary for survival in academia? It's not just about following arbitrary rules made up by professors. It's actually about protecting your own work. When you provide correct, concrete citations, you're literally building an academic fortress around your ideas. If you use credible sources and document them the right way, no one can challenge your argument. You're showing that you're respectfully borrowing someone else's ideas to build your